Hey Glam dolls, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today to share with you all some artificial nails that I purchased from Shein. So if you're interested in seeing which ones I got, my thoughts about them, and how I apply them, I strongly suggest you all keep on watching. Okay, Glam dolls, as I said in the intro of this video, I am here today to share with you all a pack of artificial nails that I purchased from Shein. I actually did a whole artificial nail haul, but that's going to be in a separate video. The nails that I'm going to be sharing with you all today are going to be these right here, which is also part of their beautiful nail collection. Yes, super excited. So when I saw them on the website, this is the picture that I saw. I was super impressed, but I am here to let you know the picture that you see is not necessarily the artificial nails you are going to get. That's simply because the actual picture that you're looking at is of the acrylic version to the artificial nail design that they're selling you as a DIY, okay? So these are the faux acrylic version to the actual acrylic version you will see. Now that's not to say the quality ain't the same. It's not to say that they're not worth you buying, because honey, I'm here today to show them to you up close and personal. So I already have them laid out, and I'm going to start by putting them on as I begin to share my thoughts. So before I even begin, I will be using some nail polish remover just to remove the oil and debris off of my nails. And this one is the Onyx Professional Remover, which is 100% acetone, and it's in strawberry scented. Yes, it's in the strawberry scented scent, not flavor, scent. I just wanted to get that out there. With each pack of nails that you're going to purchase, or at least the ones that I'm here today to share with you, it did come with some glue tabs right here where you will be able to apply the nails yourself. Now, this is where the part of it all being a matter of preference takes its course. My preference is to use the actual glue tab, and the reason why I prefer to use the glue tab is because I am done with the commitment of anything that I don't need to commit to, okay? I used to use liquid nail glue to apply my artificial nails, and then I would use this other nail glue that you had a UV light that would keep the artificial nails on. But honey, I'm such the avid artificial nail wearer, I'm refusing to do that ongoing. Oh, one more thing before I get too far into this video. If you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, you know, seeing me for the very first time, where are my manners? Welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I'm known as for being the beauty who's on a budget that loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I do encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, you don't want to miss what I be sharing here on this channel. You don't want to do that. Like these artificial nails from Shein that only cost me that price right there. You see, I ain't had to break my bank, but I'm going to show you how I'm about to get a fabulous look. Facts. So I prefer using the glue tabs, as I was saying to you, and I think I started saying why, but I'm just going to reiterate it again. My reason for using the actual glue tabs is because it doesn't give me the long-term wear commitment of the actual artificial nail, okay? With the glue tab, it will last you probably about 1 to 2 days, if 3. You still will be able to do dishes, tie shoelaces, do your kids' hair, do your hair, do your makeup, or whatever else may have you. But usually the glue tab will last about a good 1 to 2 days. My preference and reason why I prefer the 1 to 2 days is because I swap my nails out all the time, Glam dolls. I kid you not, all the time. I don't want to wear the same design of nail for no longer than a day or two. Heck, I barely want to wear the same nail design for a few hours. Like right now, I'm about to apply these nails right here, but when I'm done talking to you all and I go on out for the day and come back, I may want to put on a shorter version, or I may not even want to wear the nails anymore at all. That is why I prefer the glue tabs. It's for the flexibility, okay? And here's another benefit to me using the glue tab. It makes the artificial nail reusable. Yes, it do not damage my natural nail bed. That's a plus. And it do not damage the artificial nail in which I'm about to apply, which makes the artificial nail totally reusable for me to peel the glue tab off of the artificial nail, because I'm going to take it off my natural nail, off of the artificial nail, and then I will be able to reuse the artificial nail again, which makes my savings that much more when it comes to me doing my nails myself. I'm just applying the glue tabs as I'm talking to you all. I'm trying not to do no edits to this video, so just bear with me. We're going to get into the nails. Now I'm just going to do one at a time, because I don't want to chance the glue tab getting something on it or it getting messed up. But here we go. First nail is on. Pressing. I'm going to hold it for like 1, 2, 3. Press it again. 1, 2, 3. Make sure the edges, because the edges be so important. The edges are squeezed. 1, 2, 3. And voila. First nail is on. Mind you, this is the look that we're going for. So you see that picture right there. We're going to see in exactly 5 minutes or less if that picture becomes my reality. Put on to the next artificial nail. And look at how fast and easy I'm doing this while I'm talking to you all. That's another thing I love about doing the nails myself. My timing, okay? It don't take me all day. I don't have to look for parking. Okay, I don't have to stare at the different nail designs on the wall trying to figure out which one do I want. I already know what I want because I have it in the pack. All I gotta do is sit down for 5 minutes or less, size up the nails, pick which ones I'm gonna wear, put my glue tabs on, take them off, and then honey, I am ready to be out the door. I must admit, I think even my husband is more happier with me doing it this way, because now he don't have to wait for me all day going, oh, I gotta go get my nails done, for us to now go out and have a fun time. So last one up is the thumbnail. Put that on. Let's put this one on real quick. And just to show you all, this is the thumbnail. It has the glue tab already on my nail. I'm just going to take it, push it up against my cuticle just a little bit, push it down, make sure it's not crooked, and then I'm going to press and hold. Press and hold, and once I get the nail on, voila, these are my artificial nails. Yes, you see how fast that was? And to make it even faster, give me just a moment while I apply the other hand. And voila, just like that, my nails are done. She's ready. She's ready to go out. She's ready for cocktails. She's ready for dinner reservations. She's ready for errands. She's just ready, and her hands are ready too. Oh my gosh, so much fun sharing with you all applying these artificial nails. Once again, these are available on the Shein website. This is what it's going to look like when you see it, and this is what it's going to look like once you actually apply it. So what do you dolls think? Is this worth picking up? So on that note, dolls, seriously speaking, this have officially concluded the video. As I said to you all, I did do a artificial nail haul of various designs that I did purchase from Shein, which will be available in the next few videos coming up, simply because This week coming, I'm doing a whole Shein series, okay? You got this video. The next video is going to be some fabulous clothing pieces that I picked up that was super cute, very much affordable, that I know you dolls will like. So that video is coming up right after this one. Then after the clothing video, you'll be able to see which packs of artificial nails that I did actually purchase. But for real, this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna go and enjoy my nails, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.